The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is the most advanced big phone you can buy today thanks to its oversized screen and superb cameras, even if it all looks identical to last year's S8 Plus. Without dramatic changes to the design, it's only an iterative update to the S8 Plus, but it's an iterative update to an Android phone that's been sitting near the top of our best phones list for the past 11 months. That's important to remember. We've tested the Galaxy S9 Plus for nearly 2 weeks, and its low-light photos and big screen are the two most obvious highlights. It's still Samsung's grandiose 6.2-inch curved infinity display that will sell you on this more expensive phone over the 5.8-inch Galaxy S9, but both handsets have an improved 12MP camera that boasts a f/1.5 maximum aperture. This is the first camera phone with such a wide aperture, giving the S9 and S9 Plus low light and noise-defeating powers that are more advanced than those of even the Google Pixel 2, our previous best phone camera. The S9 Plus benefits from rear dual-lens camera, too, giving it the same telephoto capabilities as last year's Note 8. The S9 has one lens on the back. It can also capture super slow motion video at 960 frames per second if you're serious about video and, if you're not, uses its 8MP front-facing camera to paint your face with our emoji props and masks. Samsung has listened to the negative feedback regarding last year's handsets, and has wisely moved its offset rear fingerprint sensor to a center-aligned position. It's a more natural location, although you may not even need it thanks to more secure face unlock and iris scanning on board. Addressing another shortcoming of the S8 Plus, Samsung finally gives its flagship phone stereo speakers for superior sound. If you're thinking an emphasis on stereo speakers, face unlock, our emoji and vertically stacked 12MP dual cameras sounds as if these are Samsung's take on iPhone X features, you're right. The S9 Plus tries to match everything Apple can do, but at a larger screen size and with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it also bests the Google Pixel 2 XL's low-light photography. What's interesting is that Apple's and Google's handsets aren't the fiercest competition for the S9 Plus, it's Samsung's own phone. The now cheaper Galaxy S8 Plus is an incremental downgrade, ideal for anyone put off by the high S9 Plus price, while the Galaxy Note 9 is likely 6 months away, perfect for early adopters who have ample cash and a penchant for the S Pen and a slightly bigger screen. That positions the S9 Plus at the top temporarily. Right now it's the best big Android phone in 2018, albeit an expensive one, until the Galaxy Note 9 debuts in the second half of this year.